When the doors all feel bolted and the sky leans heavy and low, every plan I drew has folded. Every step feels slow. I have one name on my tongue, one light under the dust. I lift these shaking hands and whisper, in you alone I trust. Hasbi Allah, Allahu Kafi. You are enough for me, enough for me. In every storm, in every aching night, you are enough for me, enough for me. When the heart breaks in the quiet and the tears don't wanna fall, when I'm tired of this trial, too weak to stand at all, you were there before my pleading. You are nearer than my veins, so I bow my head and breathe it. You are mercy in my pain. Hasbi Allah, Allahu Kafi. You are enough for me, enough for me. In every loss, in every hidden fear, you are enough for me, enough right here. If the world turns its back, I have you. If I lose all I have you, Ya Rab. If my voice barely shakes through the dark, you have always heard my heart. Hasbi Allah.